Hi, Amanda with TableCraft here in the Cliff Price showroom in Dallas, and I wanted to talk about some of my favorite baking accessories that we've introduced over the last year. So we have our Danish whisk, which is a fun little gourmet kitchen item. The shape of the wires allows for more oxygen to get into your dough while you're whisking, so it keeps everything nice and fluffy. Because of the success of the Danish whisk, we have also introduced some new baking accessories, like our non-stick silicone baking mats. These are silicone, dishwasher safe, and heat safe up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit. And you can either put them on the grate in the oven, or you can put them on a cookie sheet. Super easy to clean, dishwasher safe, must have in the kitchen. And then we also have our new brown sugar saver, which is a fun little accessory that you can use to keep your dry goods and ingredients nice and dry. Brown sugar so that it doesn't turn into a nice big brown brick. You can also use it in your snack cabinet to keep your snacks nice and fresh. So that's just some of the new kitchen accessories that we have introduced. We also have this fun three-piece strainer set that we've introduced in the 2024 catalog. So these are great for either straining your vegetables, your fresh fruits, or you can use them to strain your dry ingredients like your flour. You can use it as a nice little sieve.